Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to soften the edges of a photo in Canva. Softening the edges can give your images a smoother, more professional look and help them blend better with your design. We will guide you step by step on how to do it easily. Now, let's get started. To soften the edges of your photo, we just have to click your photo and then click Edit. And then here, we will search the blur effects. Once you find the blur effects, just click this, and here you will blur dots. It's just here, kind of blurred right here. This is your photo. We just have to blur this so that it will soften the edges of your selfie or pictures. Once you're done, just do it again and then make the brush bigger so that it will cover more space. Here, you can do it like this. It's totally up to you. You can see the edge is now soft. If you want, you can edit this properly. Once you're done, just click the settings of your photo. You can see, just proceed properly. And that's it. Now you have successfully softened the edge of your photo in Canva. Your images now look smoother and more visually appealing in your designs.